Want to hide anything on the tablet version of your website using Elementor? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a few simple steps. But before we dive into the process, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if it helps you out. Open your browser and log in to the admin panel of your WordPress-based website. From the left-hand menu, click on Pages and then All Pages. Choose the page you want to edit. I'm using the home page as an example, and click Edit with Elementor. Once the editor loads, make sure you're viewing in desktop mode, as that's the default view. So, from the top ribbon, select the tablet version first. When the web page becomes exactly how it looks on the tablet screen, click on the element you want to hide on this web page. For example, I'm selecting the Order Now button. In the left panel, go to the Advanced tab and scroll down to find the Responsive section. You'll see three toggles: Hide on Desktop, Hide on Tablet Portrait, and Hide on Mobile Portrait. Just toggle on Hide on Tablet Portrait, and that element will disappear from the tablet view while staying visible on smartphone and desktop. Make sure to hit Publish in the top right corner to save your changes. Now, when you preview your site, the element will be hidden on tablets, but will still show up on smartphones and computer screens. You can use the same method to hide any section, buttons, headings, images, or anything. Plus, if you want to unhide those things, just follow the same process and toggle off the Hide on Tablet Portrait button. That's it. So, if you are looking to create professional-level designs with ease, Elementor is my top recommendation. Use the affiliate link below to get started instantly. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.